What's up, Bombies? It's your girl, Bombshell, Aura. Hope you're feeling beautiful and looking beautiful, feeling handsome and looking handsome. Me, myself, I'm feeling bomb. Okay, I'm feeling bomb. Y'all, like, comment, subscribe. Y'all know what to do. Y'all know what to do. We got Dimash on the flow. We got Dimash Blizzard again. Okay, let's get into this video. Follow me on Instagram, Bombshell Aura. And yeah, I'm ready to see this movie. oh yeah, Dimash is a movie. It's a movie, darling. Ooh, it look good.
Зарығып тосуыңмен келемен қар басып жүрген жатыр жол сол жерден де қайта жолығамыз ба деп
Ooh, that was pretty.
сен жоқсың қайта созамын ғой
Why did we have to meet so late? Right? Why we had to come together so late? We in love. We should have been in love sooner. We should have met sooner. Don't y'all hate? Ugh. Why we had to meet so late, baby? What? Move quicker than that. Gotta be quicker than that. I feel that part, that line. Meet so late.
Қимасақта қанша бал сезімді бастан бұл өмірден де өтеді шамам аяз қарап жаурайды жан жүрегім мұздайды
Get off of my computer with all of this amazingness. The high pitch, the ooh.
аяз қарап
so beautiful. That could be in like a princess movie where the girl trying to fall in love and then they trying to run back into each other in a familiar place and it's cold. Oh my God. And you need your boo and he coming for you. Yeah, man, that song was beautiful. I could see that in a movie. You know, y'all like a human princess movie. And they find each other, they dance, and it's just like, ah. Okay, y'all, sorry. All right, whatever. Whatever. You don't agree. You don't agree with me. Like, comment, subscribe, you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, bye, peace.